This is how to update MongoDB Compass. The first thing you need to do is back up your database in case a loss of data may occur during the update process. And then go to Help, click About MongoDB Compass, and be sure to check your version. Then we'll click Help Back and click Check for updates. And there is an update available. You will visit Download Center and download the latest version. And we will use MSI and click Download. Okay, let's run our installer. Click Next, Next, and let's install. And click Finish. Let's open our MongoDB Compass. And then we'll click About MongoDB Compass. And this is how to update MongoDB Compass.